Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.5 on Rocky Linux 9.6. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Rocky Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is PostgreSQL.org. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 17.5. Click on download. Then select Linux, then select Red Hat, Rocky or Alma Linux. See, PostgreSQL M repository currently supports on Red Hat, Rocky, Alma or Fedora. Okay, so select the version from this list. So the latest release is 17. Select it and select the platform Rocky 9. See, once you selected it, populated the list of the commands that needs to be executed to install the PostgreSQL 17.5 on Rocky Linux 9.6. So open terminal, copy these commands one by one. Copy this one. It is going to import the repository RPM. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now disable if there are any inbuilt PostgreSQL modules. Paste it. Hit enter. It is done. Control A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo dnf install PostgreSQL, then give the version number. If you want to install 16, give 16, and if you want to install 15, give 15. If you want to install latest version, give 17, give -server, hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL Server 17.5. Okay, and these dependencies, and this is the download size. Type a confirmation and hit enter. If you don't want, select no. It will cancel. Okay, type and hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL -17. If you don't give the version number, it won't work. See, okay, we have to give the version number -17. See, we have installed PostgreSQL Server, but it is not started. So we have to start. Before that, we have to initialize the database. So copy this command, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now start the PostgreSQL Server. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. If it is 16, give 16. Okay, hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service started 3 seconds ago. Also enable it. Okay, also see here, this is the data directory location, and see here the processes: logger, checkpointer, background writer, wall writer, auto vacuum launcher, logical replication launcher. Okay, and these are the PIDs for these processes. Okay, now enable it. Sudo systemctl enable PostgreSQL -17. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is started and it is enabled. If you hit Control A. Now connect to PostgreSQL Server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL Server. And also notice here, it is the version of the PSQL, not the PostgreSQL Server version. Okay, so to get the version of the PostgreSQL Server, we have to run the command select version. See, this is the version of the PostgreSQL Server. Okay, now the first step after connecting to PostgreSQL Server is you have to set the password for the Postgres user, which is super user. So verify list of users. See, we have only one user. We can also get the same list of the users by running the command select username from pg_user. See, you got the same list. Okay, now set the password for this account. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Okay, hit enter. Alter role means we have successfully set the password for the Postgres user. Okay, now verify list of databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. You can get the same by running the command select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Okay, let us create database. Now verify. See, new database bank is created, and this is the one of the database. Now switch to this new database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the \c or \connect. Both are same. Then provide the name of the database. See, you are now connected to database bank as user Postgres. Now verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table. Create table. See, we have created table in public schema, and one of the table is Postgres. Let us insert some data into this table. Now we have inserted this data. Okay, now create user. See, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is a password. Now connect to PostgreSQL server with this user. So we have to exit from the current session. To exit, we have to give \q, then PSQL-H. H means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL is installed on this machine. That's why I am giving localhost. If it is installed on some other PC or some other machine, then you have to give the IP or hostname. Then -u must be caps. Then username is David -p -d. Then provide the name of the database. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this David account. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have successfully logged into the PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. \c bank. Now run the query against the table that we have created. That is customer. Select star from customer. See, permission and for table customer, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Rocky Linux 9.6. Exit. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user, so exit from this user. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL -17. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is stopped due to quit. We can also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. So exit from the Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL -17. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is running. Okay. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL -17. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted 2 seconds ago. Okay, until now we have connected PostgreSQL server by using PSQL client. We can also connect PostgreSQL server by using the most popular tools like pgadmin or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both pgadmin or dbeaver on Rocky Linux operating systems. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17 on Rocky Linux 9.6. Okay, for more PostgreSQL or Rocky Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.